Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Webull account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. On the address bar, type in webull.com and click on Enter. You'll be directed to official homepage of Webull. Now, click on Sign Up button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. You will get an interface like this. After that, you need to type in your phone number here. You can select a country code by clicking on this drop-down menu. After typing in your number, you can click on Send Code link here. Now you will get a code in your phone number. Type in the verification code in this field here and check this box. After that, click on Next button. Now you need to type your new password. Retype your password on this field here. And click on Sign Up button. So that is how you can create Webull account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.